Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Miss Lily. I'm the math teacher here at TOPS. I teach math full time. I'm also over the Beta Club. So if you're in the Beta Club, you may recognize me. And also I have junior homeroom class. So I may have you for more than one thing. If you are returning, I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday. If you're a new student, I want to encourage you to reach out and say hello and, let me know that you're a new student so I can do whatever I can to make your transition to TOPS very smooth. As we move forward, most of you guys had me in the fall, so this is moving on to part 2 in the spring. This semester, most of you guys will have an EOC. If you are in a part 2 class, you will have an EOC class this semester, and I will give you more details as we go through the semester on that. You will also get information from Miss Whedon on testing, so be alert and be aware of those schedules. Okay, your EOC will cover the whole class, so that means part 1 and part 2. So you will notice we will have some review from first semester as well. Again, welcome back. A few things I want you to know about me is I do try to keep up with my grading, and I do try to get back to you as quickly as possible with emails and things. So I encourage you to ask questions and reach out and kind of stay on top of things. I can't help you if I don't know you need help. So please, please, please reach out if you need help. The worst thing you can do is wait till Thursday or Friday, start working, and then say, I don't know how to do my work, and then just shut down. And that causes stress and anxiety, and it causes all those things that we try to avoid. So I'm going to encourage you to start early in the week. So if you have questions, you can reach out and ask me, and I have time to get back to you before the due date at the end of the week. Okay, so as you guys know, the due date is every Friday at midnight. The exception is the first week. You do have 2 weeks before we do the first attendance. Now, I will have due dates. When you look in your classes, there are a few things due the first week, but not much. That's just to encourage you to get started, start looking around, get some things done, and not put things off to where you have too much due the second week. So I want you to get off to a great start in this spring semester. Hopefully you've had a restful couple weeks and ready to get started again. Again, looking forward to a great semester. I will see you guys soon.